Howdy folks, Brian here, Bobby Combs RV, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. Today we're featuring this 2023 MPG built by Cruiser RV. A couple of the quick features outside. We've got a huge pass-through storage. You have 190 watts of solar on the roof. You have a heated enclosed underbelly for those cold camping trips or late fall trips. Solid steps, and of course electric awning. We're going to go inside and take a look at some more features. All right, folks, we're inside of the 1900Rb MPG. I want to go over some pricing real quick. This was MSRP to $49,000. We had it on sale for $29,990, and this week $27,754. This week only. Some of the quick features: you've got an industry's first air fryer oven, got microwave up front here, a couch with the fold down bed, plenty of storage, barrel roof ceiling, air conditioning, television with a sound bar, and folks, for those long camping trips, look at this refrigerator. All right, guys, going on into the bathroom. Got a nice corner shower with a skylight for those extra tall folks in your family for a little extra headroom. Anyways, Brian here, Bobby Combs RV. Come see this 1900 MPG at Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. Thanks.